ekibadde Makerere nga buli omu atikkira ne bane lero enfunye difference bannange mulaba abaana b'e Makerere balina enjawulo n'abaana b'e Kyambogo n'abaana b'e Muteesa. Mu interview yokola omwana w'e Makerere ng'atuusa ali ready genda kukola. Tajja. Yes, hello. How are you? How are you, love? How are you? Congratulations. Thank you, darling. How are you? So, I want you to take us through which course did you study? Me, I did BCom. That is, it is what? So I did BCom. I would chama kuliko kuino kwa kuliko kachi. Sikamasi. Please, from school, what else are you going to do now? From here, I want to do a PhD, a master's, and a doctorate, maybe. Omulabanga ayagala ki? Nekinjukiza etwali graduation ya Muteesa. Munnamawulire ajja asanga mwana muwala baba mutikira. Hello. Wanjise. I said hello. Sebo mdoza kwani kozeseza olugana netwangwa kwanze nina gyendaga. Ennyabo kale zizembadde mbuuza nti kuliko ebitabo tubiseemu twebaza Ssaabasajja Kabaka atuweeredde nze badde kubasalira Ssaabasajja. Nyabo batwanga kugulira osomye kosi nyabo nze golaba nsomye kuwanga mayembe kuzi n'ebivuga. Nyabo kakati ova wano plan kizoolina ezijja wemba wano olinayo plan z'okweyongerayo okusoma nze bwemba wano njagala kufunda nange njagala kuzaala ku mwana ye nga plan ye weeryawo ate tuvudde e Makerere tugenda kupatiziza abaana nene ekintu kyenneebuuza kyatteeka nti buli graduate nze alina okukaaba buli gokosa ne waba mwana wa mwavu ne waba mwana wa mugaga n'omwana w'omugaga akwata akazindalo n'akaaba nga olaba yeekaabya. Hello. Monzilemu. Hello. Banange banliza graduation yange mwekubile Abaagalana. Njagala okwebaza my father abadde was so much. Ambeledewo is I was so stubborn. Njikula one time sagenda kusomera nensigala mu kkubo. Kati when I sigala mu kkubo, Daddy was so annoyed and I felt like kakati Daddy and the KAMU nyumba nagenda out. We are married only 2 hours. Daddy now come out with a passport and I'm living a visa. Now syndicate in Russia for 2 months. Daddy yali munyivu. Nabona Russia. Nyanja banga. Nyapiuza. Ebyemukanga byaki? Mbanyengenda kuyomwago omwago akabanga kyakabya ddala kituufu. Basibona manja busanso okukola ku mukolo gwa. Ate mwebale kundaga mukwa. Namusikirize nebaze y'abantu nalongozi beda imuka. Naye mwami kamogasi. Mami nchala zubede ogola bananga wadde sente nyingi nnyo yakumtoku mukanana obete kikumuka busi arega mwami kamuga kamfuka mdena ojukira mbizi ye yabula twagibane tate boze kyachenga kasiza bana waliwo ebintu ebimu nga binyumira bakazi olaba omukazi ng'akaaba nawe oyinza okukosinga okukaaba omuwala ng'akaaba ne bannanga abasajja tebanyumira kukaaba niwe obanga oli ku graduation yo ng'ofa essanyu okubanga faananyi muli ku graduation musajja nekitandika okukaaba basobole banya bunsanisa okubala nsanyusi mama balogwanya mama tebinyuma binyumira abawala naye graduation tezinnajja wala amawulire agafumye endooza ennaku nga 2 emabega agabaagalana abeerikke mwagawulidde.
You know telecom companies are not even they address you in Uganda. *146#. A message came, ding, 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 ding. I opened, Nyabo. Please first clear out your outstanding debts with Airtel, Africa, and most importantly, K2. Abaganda Bajakuro. I'm like, what type of witchcraft is this? But you know, start off in their movie, ladies, you know, we have those people we call when we're in injury. Those women we have just keeping our contacts just for backup. That one who once wanted you and you said no. But you know, we can do anything for you. We all have, every woman here has that person in their contacts. Don't look at me like I'm some wicked lady, no? So I go in my phone, I start scrolling through contacts. I land on a John. I'm like, what you? I beeped the guy, he called immediately. Okay, I hope there's no problem. I said, no, John, I'm just verifying the village. I failed to buy airtime using mobile money. Please send me some airtime. It's like, no problem, no problem. You know, I'm still in a meeting. Give me an hour, I'll send the credit. Poor can want to be busy. They all day no airtime from the guy. The next day, beeped me, called. Oh, sorry, I forgot. You know, I'm driving, so just give me 1 hour. I'll send you the airtime. After now, if I receive the message, I'm like, oh, God, you are good. 1, 2, ding, ding. Your account has been credited with 500 shillings. Your outstanding has been deducted. Your account balance is now 0. Sincerely, John, God is watching you. 2 days I'm waiting for airtime and you send me 500 shillings. Because we are some men now, at least 5K. When it is January, I held like pass. When I sat there, I'm sad. I plan to be. I swear, I almost called customer care to bargain. I was going to call them and say, you people, please, it is January. Just remove only the negative side, only. Let us start afresh. Life is hard. You see, January, everyone is complaining. I used to think the thing was just something people talk about. But even in bus, it's affecting us. You know, in December, when it's your birthday, my friend, and it's even your friends who remind you that it's your birthday. Once they shout, man, it's this guy's birthday. Where beers will come from to pour on you, I don't know. They will buy a whole crate. Everyone, even strangers, they are pouring on you. Beer, what? January, you are the one to remind them that it's your birthday. You are there, by the way, guys, it's my birthday. My friend, everyone will just tap you and say, happy birthday, man. Carry their beers and even walk away from you. January is hard. And it's affecting all businesses. And now we're tying on formalin. I went to visit my uncle. He has a hardware in Tinder. So I find him like, uncle, how are you? He's like, I'm fine. But business is not good. What formalin is not doing to us. There are no flies here at all. No flies connected to tiles. In fact, I even want to shift from here because there are no flies. Even the West Queens now ask for meat at butchery. It has changed. Seka, why you kill nyama? Nenga tuende nswera. You not on a creative or that become creative. The no flies is the which word should I use? Huh? Criteria for buying meat. My friend, now flies is a product of its own in the butchery. You say Seka is Tolina, he will open Tuzina Mama, get a cavera and open the flies. But Ugandans, you are terrorists. You now used to wear gala. That, oh my God, people want to be 35 years all along they are preserving me when I'm still alive.
Surprise! You know, when I go to my village, I'm like the Navio of that side. When they look at me, I'm like Navio, no competition. I'm the only guy on that side. But then my village is developing so fast. The rate at which it is developing, we even have a radio station. Clap for that. Akokoro, we have come from far. We have a radio station, but there are programs that work in Kampala that don't work there. Here you can call in and tell them what is happening in your area. Hello, this is 88.6 Juice FM. Call in and tell us what is happening in your area. Then the guy comes, this is Simon from Namugongo. Yes, Simon, what is happening in Namugongo? It is raining cats and dogs. Is that the problem? The next person also comes. Yes, who are we talking to? This is Ojangole from Makerere Chikoni. Yes, Ojangole, what is happening in Chikoni? Like students are striking. Why are they striking? You know, it's been long without a strike. We are just striking just for just. Is that a problem? Now, the radio station, the same program was taken to my village, Radio Kokoro. The next day, the radio station was closed. We have problems that side. They were, hello, this is your boy, Fat Boy, call into a Radio Kokoro and tell us what is happening in your area. The first caller who came in, who is this? Like, well done, well done. Northerners have too much English. Well done, well done. Yes, who am I talking to and what is happening in your area? Yes, this is Bongomin from Barmindia. Yes, Bongomin, what is happening in Barmindia? He's like, okay, we have just picked here a grenade, but we don't know the owner. We are bringing it to the studio. Next day, the radio station was closed. Another one should call customer care when you are working. You can quit your job the next day. Very simple. For us, we are hot-headed. You call, hello, this is MTN Uganda. Thank you for calling. How may I help you? I am going to break this line. You start apologizing. Sorry, sir, what is the problem? Hey, my ass is not working. Our English is different. My ass is not working. Sorry, if your ass is not working, you should see a doctor or a surgeon. No! I don't mean that ass. I mean star 1, 2, 3 ass, okay?
Yo! Boom! The thing goes crack! Papa kaka! Skiddy papa! And the boom boom boom! Hey! Where are you? Machika, where are you? Make some noise! You are not cool! You know that Machika asked for that song in the club? Recently we at a wedding, my Muchika uncle wanted it, came. When a Muchika wants to show authority, there is a way they'll do things. Hope you've seen it. Puts one leg in front and the hand behind. DJ, Honaka scrap. Machika temuina waka. How are you? You're fine? Yeah, you see, I've been traveling a lot. I've noticed many things. You people, the rate at which Ugandans are being arrested is very big. Ugandans are being arrested, and the way Ugandan police arrests people is not a good way. I love the way Americans arrest. When an American detective is going to arrest you, he'll arrest you in a very nice way. He'll come, he'll first introduce himself. He'll not give himself ranks because he doesn't have them. He will come in a jean and a t-shirt. You'll not think he's a police. He'll come, hey, my name is Mark John. I'm Detective Mark John, and you got questions to answer. Please follow me to the police station, and we answer them. You'll go. A Nigerian policeman. He'll come. He will give himself ranks that he does not have. He'll look at you. He's putting on a uniform, but he's asking you, do you know him? Okay. Do you know me? So you don't know. But you see my uniform. Puts out his ID. You see this ID? I am called Detective Major General Kano Superintendent Field Marshal His Excellency Obina. Now when he sees a criminal, they will say 2 sentences to show their shots like, hey, it doesn't matter, no matter. Chineke, bros, I think you know the police station. I don't want to chase you. Go. It's like even, you see American criminals, when they've committed a crime, and the police comes to arrest them, they will ask for a warrant. A detective will come, hey, you're under arrest. This man, you have the right to remain silent, or else your words will or shall be used against you in the courts of law. The criminal will be like, no, where is your warrant? Uganda! Ugandans, we are cowards. Ask Elias Lukwago. The Uganda police even does not know how to arrest. He come, wait, Jangu to Gende. He will not say, where is your warrant? Wait!
Mpulira atayeka mukazi wa atudde ku lubalaza gwe mukazi kuba mwami wa wanaana
Abazinamuza sawa mmeka.
Senga tusanyusa okulaba.
Ngani bwayita senga. Mukazi wawe nga bwayita senga. Wala jakuba.
Senga tusanyusa okulaba. Tewayingidde. Tebakuguliddewo senga. Senga kwata akasooli olyeko tonafuna kuli. Ajja n'omusooli gwe ng'atagala nako.
Oyo nno kalekaleko. Naye mulimu gwe bukuba.
Mpulira.
N'akyuka buli kimu ne kikyuka.
Kitya?
Wasula n'ayitawo n'ayingira akayumba k'embwa. Twali nti gwe embwa nze walagi ankubye. Gwe embwa walagi ankubye.
Ani embwa?
Nze bw'otuzza mutakankayanye.
Bikoma wano temumpita embwa.
Kanadere wange. Uwe ku mulyango n'ayitawo.
Kati embwa eba yamuwulidde dda.
Bempi, mukyala, semberayo ne bakikuwola. Bempi ng'ogezi watandise n'obigula. Mukwano. Omukazi mulungi bulijjo mpunyooma. Ajjukira abaagalana bonna. Omusajja akwata ku mukyala we.
Abaako wakwata embwa.
Abatamidde dda takyabitegeera.
Baako nkwata.
Sweetheart.
Embwa yamuluma.
Mukyala.
Demu nkwate.
Mukyala wafuuse musezi. Oyagala kunnumira mu maka gange. Mu maka gange mweyagala okunnumira. Enkya nkeera wassenga okuloopa. Wala gyakufa.
Naye ntumiraku bakyala nga wano be wabbaawo n'omwana. Naye n'ogenda n'oteekawo embeera. Erinnya lya taata w'omwana n'olijjako ku nnamba ey'essimu n'omuseevingako sitaani. Kati omwana aba azannyisa essimu, omwadde azannya geemu.
Ali ku geemu azannya.
Kumbe taata akuba ayagala kubuuza ku mwana.
Mami, wangi sitaani akuba. Jukira akaana kwa wateka bitegeera. Sitaani akuba.
Mumpe. Halo? Nyabu. Gye baliko nyabu.
Kale naawe gye bati.
Mbadde njagala kubuuza ku mwana wange.
Juli, jangu obuuze kitaawo.
Omwana olikwata essimu. Halo sitaani?
Olyoka owulira embiri.
Ogamba bannaye.
Tumirayo ku basajja bonna nga bali wano eno naye ng'embeera zaabwe zaawukanamu. Osanga omusajja nga asikaali naye nga ssebo kumakya emisana
akola atya?
Jjukira asikaali akuuma kiro asula bweru naye ngaddawo n'agamba banne Jime jangu amperekereko ngula ennaiti mwennaasula musula mwebase. Asikaali agula nnaiti
ate ng'agula yaki? Nenyanyiza ku mukyala oli wano omusajja akusasulidde ekivvulu muyingidde wano eno mu LABONITA naye ng'oli ku WhatsApp. Njala ziringawo amakansa essaawa ebimuli osazudde eno eri tonnambako nti baby I love you.
Abakazi b'ennaku zino tebakyalina true love era true love ennaku zino true love ntono.
Etya
true love ntono. Ate bw'osanga abantu nga balina true love nga beeyagala bya ddala. Omanyirawo nti bano beeyagala gwe ne wowe batudde mabega ne wowe batudde mu maaso omanyirawo nti bano beeyagala bano tebeeyagala.
Bano beeyagala.
True love.
Hajati. Sure.
Bakeefuna beeyagala love weeri.
Yekagusamba
ne bw'oba bayingira buyingizi wano eno.
Kiriya
N'abayingira buyingizi LABONITA era olaba abantu abeeyagala tebabula era obasanga batambula beekuta sweetheart. Where are we going?
Tugenda ku LABONITA.
LABONITA. Okay, no problem.
Kati ne obasangawo akatebe kamu.
Nga kamu obutebe nga buwedde sweetheart. Tugenda tutula.
Tutule wano.
No problem, tujja kujjaawo.
Kati kisinziira era ne size ki gy'okola ki?
Gy'ogenda nayo.
Kati n'ozunga wano ne gundi.
Ani? Straka baby.
Straka. Akatebe kano atuulamu bajjaamu bana.
Sweetheart. Naye tusuule wano. Love ekyaliwo.
Weri. I love you baby. Kati n'omusajja akwata ku mukazi.
Tebyo omukazi gwe n'asigala mu mbeera. Lwaki? Akyuka. Amaloboozi gakyukana abanga yingini mpya. Kyuka.
Sweetheart.
Yes please hand. Kiki.
Oyo yali abanga embuzi eridde akaveera.
Yamonda g'omutuufu. Sweetheart.
Daddy.
I love you.
I love you.
Ulira obukaba. Zirira ngumu.
Ondeta feeling.
Omusajja munnoozi jjawo.